How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're signed in. Now we have to switch to our Facebook page. For that, tap on your profile with the three line at the top right. Now next to your profile name, tap on this toggle here that will switch to your Facebook page. Now once you're under your home page, now you have to head over to your profile. For that, tap on your profile or the profile at the top left. Once you land on this interface, under the Advertise button, tap on three dot button. That's gonna take you to your page settings. Now to remove your WhatsApp number on Facebook page, tap on the fourth option here that says Edit Action button. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, if you have added your WhatsApp number, you will find this option at the second that says WhatsApp, send WhatsApp message. So the people following your pages will be able to contact you through WhatsApp if you have connected your WhatsApp. So to remove your WhatsApp number, tap on remove next to your send WhatsApp message. And with that, now your account will be deactivated or your account will be unlinked. And that's it. That's how you can remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.